Hey everybody, and welcome to the video. Today we're going to talk about setting up the Schlage Encode with Alexa. We're going to make this easy. So you just got the Schlage Encode, you've set it up, it's working properly, and you've connected it to your Wi-Fi, but you haven't connected it to Alexa, and that's what this video is all about. So you can do this.
Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on. The front door is locked.
All right, so that's what we're looking to do. So first thing you got to do is open up the Alexa app. And once you're in there, you're going to navigate over to devices and you're going to add a new device. So you're going to click the plus button, you're going to click on add device, and you're off and away. You're going to select the device you want to install. In this case, it's a lock, and it's the Schlage Encode. So once you click that, you're ready to hit the continue button. And then what it's going to do now is it's going to jump you out of Alexa, essentially. After you click the enable to use button, it's going to take you to the Schlage Encode sign in page. You got to click a bunch of check boxes. And at this point, once you've checked all the different boxes and you've clicked on the let's go button, you now have to log into your Schlage account. So you add your email address and you add your password, and you're essentially allowing Alexa to now link, and you can see now it works. At this point, you've actually linked your Schlage lock to Alexa, but Alexa now needs to discover some devices. It actually needs to find it on the network, so you got to click the discover devices button, and it'll search for about 45 seconds. I sped it up here, but it will find the lock for you here in just about a minute. Once it's found, you're going to get this this screen here that says it has found the lock, and you got to set up the device now. This part is generally pretty easy. It asks if you want to add it to a group. I just click skip. After you've done that, it's going to ask you if you want to be part of a battery replacement program, because the Schlage locks do run on batteries, and that's completely up to you. I personally at this point chose not right now. And once you click that, your door is set up, and you can say things like, hey Alexa, I want you to lock the front door. After you click approve, or you've completed your setup, it takes you back to the home screen, and you can now close the Alexa app and give it a try.
Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
And the cool thing is it also gives you notifications when the door is locked.
The front door is locked.
And there you go, guys. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, please click on the like button below. If you add a comment and say you'd like to see more instructional videos like this, just tell me what you'd be interested in learning about, and I can make some more. Thanks. Take care and have a good one.